I'm Satish, and let me take you on a journey that could redefine the way we look at food in India. Imagine coming home after an exhausting day, stomach growling, and all you need to do is open your freezer, grab a meal, and in minutes, you're savoring something delicious, healthy, and completely guilt-free. No stress, no compromise, just pure plant-based goodness. Sounds incredible, right? Well, in the USA, this is not just a dream, it's the norm. But in India, we are just getting started. The frozen food revolution is sweeping across the globe, and the USA is leading the charge. But here's the big question. Is India keeping up? Today, we're diving deep into the most popular vegetarian frozen foods in the US. Amy's family-size roasted poblano enchiladas. A family-sized delight with organic ingredients and authentic flavors. Trader Joe's vegan tikka masala, Indian flavors made convenient. Trader Joe's brings a plant-based twist to tikka masala, proving that frozen food can still be authentic and flavorful. Sweet Earth's Veggie Lovers Pizza, a pizza that's not just tasty but packed with real vegetables. Who said frozen pizzas can't be healthy? Dr. Prager's California Veggie Burger, a veggie burger with spinach, peas, and carrots. A truly nutritious alternative to meat patties. Beyond meat plant-based patties, a revolution in plant-based eating. These burgers look, cook, and taste just like real meat. And they're winning over food lovers everywhere. India is a treasure trove of vegetarian cuisine, yet when it comes to frozen convenience foods, we're just scratching the surface. Imagine if we had preservative-free, easy-to-make versions of our favorite Indian dishes, from creamy dal makhani bowls to regional parathas stuffed with unique fillings. The demand is there, the need is real, but the question is, are we ready to bring this revolution home? So tell me, what Indian frozen food would you love to see on our supermarket shelves? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The frozen food revolution is here. Let's make sure India doesn't get left behind. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.